How to budget effectively for post-construction cleaning. Post-construction cleaning is the final step in delivering a completed project, but without proper budgeting, it can lead to unexpected costs and delays. Here's what you need to know to manage your budget effectively. Understanding cost components. Labor, materials, and waste disposal are the key components of your cleaning budget. Understanding these costs will help you plan effectively and avoid surprises. Budgeting tips. Start planning early, get multiple quotes, and prioritize essential tasks to ensure your budget covers what's most important. Consider DIY for basic tasks to save on costs. Negotiating and monitoring. Negotiation can help reduce costs, and regular monitoring ensures you get value for your money. Always review the final invoice carefully to confirm it matches your expectations. Budgeting for post-construction cleaning. Budgeting for post-construction cleaning is crucial for the success of your project. With the right planning and management, you can achieve a thorough, professional clean that meets your budget. Our expert cleaning team will leave your site spotless, safe, and ready to showcase. Call us today or book online for a free quote. Your project deserves the best finish. Let us handle the rest. Contact us today to learn more.